about one of our mesotherapy lines for hair growth. It's called F Hair. This formulation is designed to help fight thinning hair. It stimulates regrowth, and it also helps to reduce hair loss into the hair follicle. So you can only get this here at Nina Ross. This is a treatment where you would come in every 2 weeks, and we use a machine that's called biostimulation. It does the same thing that a syringe would do, and we actually push this product into the dermis, which is the second layer of the skin. So it stimulates regrowth so that it can revitalize the hair follicle. In return, if your hair follicle is revitalized, then you would see hair growth. Alright guys, so I want to show you the progress that my client's hair is making. Her hair in the back feels really good, and that's the growing glow. But up here, her hair is starting to grow back at the top part, which I'm very happy about. She's patient and she's willing to go through the process so that she can actually wear her own natural hair. So the other meso line is called the F Hair Men. Even though it says men on the end, it's for both men and women. This formulation is designed for men and women who are suffering from alopecia, which is a form of hair loss. Here we use the Hair F Men because it has growth factors and peptides and things that mimic stem cells. It helps to suppress DHT in the hair follicle, which both men and women can experience. It has growth factors and peptides, which is good for rejuvenating the hair follicle. It also helps to reduce inflammation into the hair follicle, which is known to cause hair loss. So once you reduce DHT and also suppresses the inflammation, over a period of time, you will see hair growth. If you have a hormonal hair loss where it's DHT that's in the follicle, I would say, hey, let's go with the Hair F Men, because more than likely you're going to get really good results.
To someone that's got the